Are we back? We're back? Okay, I can connect to Mineplex, so that's a good sign. I cannot connect to your server, though. Do I have to restart Minecraft? Yeah, hold on, let me restart Minecraft. It's really hot in here. Oh my god. Let's go into OBS. And let me see. There we go. Alrighty. Let's go back to multiplayer. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, I'm back. Let's see here. Minecraft, kill, @E, type equals armor stand, C equals 2. Great. Okay, game mode 1. So, let's see. The first thing that happens is we TP everybody. Oh! I see what's happening. We need to move this to happen first. So, let's put that there. And then we also need to do, let's see if this is positive X, so first that, then, first of all, if we did that, yep, okay, then Minecraft scoreboard players set @E name equals cutscene 1, step 0, then we do teleport 0, then we add @E 0, okay, and over here, great, okay, so now we actually are gonna move this, whoops, move that there. What is this? That's the kill command, and let's put that at the end. Okay, and let's remove that, and we'll copy this and put it over here. Okay, let's give it a shot. Scoreboard players set @A step 0. Obviously we forgot to go into game mode 3. And it looks like we weren't moving anywhere, but we'll see. Why was the game mode 3 thing not working? Oh. Okay, because that's happening over there. So let's grab this and move it over here. It's because I keep putting them in a bad order. Dang it. Okay, we're gonna start out with that, and then this. Okay. Then, after that, we're gonna do mode 2 at a we're gonna do this guy. No, not that. We're gonna do this guy. Then this guy. Then that guy. Remove that. Game mode 2. We're gonna do this. Okay, and then we're gonna do this. Then this. And then that. Okay. Let's try. What? Okay, I am definitely convinced that it is a thing to do with what happened working on the cutscene generator. I was working on it, and then Jackson wanted me to help him get it working in 1.8 for him. But I gotta tell you, man, I'm really fatigued. Like, I could work on this some more, but again, I designed it for 1.9, and it should work in theory. I don't know, and I'm really convinced that it has to do with the fact that we're not on a vanilla server, because this really should work perfectly. Yes, I did do Minecraft :command, but I have experienced many times, I've stopped playing on command block servers because I cannot do it unless it's vanilla. I hope I helped you out, though, at least a little bit. But I think it's time to go back to working on the cutscene generator. So let me go back to it. Just 1 second. I am going to set up. I'm gonna just change the Nightbot. 1 minute. And let's edit this. Okay. And like so. And like so. Okay. Let's return to OBS. And we will grab this, like so. And like that. Okay. I'm not gonna do this. Will it work, or to transfer to single player? I don't know. Listen, I really just don't have time to troubleshoot it right now. Like, I helped you as much as I could, but like, if I had more time with it and I slept on it, I could probably figure it out. But right now, I really need to work on this. So we got this working, right? We got this. I'm sorry about that. I can work on it with you another time, though, for sure. Okay, I can help you later. Let me skip this song because I don't like it. Okay. So we got that whole part working. Now let's implement this portion, okay? Now, let's figure out how to... Let's grab one of these, and we'll do set block, bam, bam, bam. Comparator. Is that not how you do it? Is it redstone comparator? Is it... What's the ID for a comparator? F3. Oh, that's right. Okay, you actually have to do unpowered comparator. Okay. Comparator 1. 2, 3. Okay, comparator 3 is what we need. Comparator 3. Unpowered comparator 3. So, let's return to the cutscene generator by going to Chrome, and let's just make sure that it worked. Great. Okay. Minimize OBS. And let's see here. I'm not going to be streaming much longer because I want to spend some time with my girlfriend. Let's see. Where am I going here? I totally forgot what I was doing. Right. We're going to be extending this whole thing here. I could make this a little bit prettier, but it's easier to just have it all in this one line like this. So we're going to extend it there. We're going to do set block plus 2 instead of 3. Leave it at the same Y level, and instead of that, we're actually going to do unpowered comparator 3. I said 3, right? Pretty sure I said 3. And we don't even need that replace tag, because it should work anyway. Okay, that's great. Then we can actually skip one, because the bud relies on this empty space right here to allow the piston to become budded. It's a relatively, or not become budded, but to be updated, rather. And to be updated while not being powered by the comparator, if that makes sense. Then we've got a sticky piston. Let's figure out how we're going to do that. Let's see. Yeah. Sticky piston 1. Perfect. Okay, so let's go back to Chrome. And this time we're actually going to decrease it by 2. So we're going to do... Actually, if we're decreasing it by 2, then we can just have it be the normal thing, right? So if we go over here, we can just grab that. Actually, we shouldn't do that. We should just do I-22. I and I-22 and space and that and that and that. Perfect. Okay. Excuse me. Sticky piston. Is it 1, did I say? Or is it... Yeah, it's 1. Sticky piston 1. Perfect. Okay. Next is... Let's go back to Minecraft. Is a slime block right above that. Okay. Now what we can actually do... I'm thinking, would it save characters to have a falling sand there, or would it be faster to... I think it would be... Huh. Sent me a tweet. I think you'll like it. I'll have to check it out later. I try not to check stuff on stream. So, I'm thinking, would it save characters to do falling sand? I'm thinking it might. So let's see. If we do... Whoops. Let's take a command block. Ah, darn it. Okay, let's take a command block, pillar out a little bit. Like that. Okay, if we take a command block and do... Let's just keep those coordinates. And we do summon... Whoops. Summon there. Summon falling sand. And then do passengers. Oh, first we want to do block, sticky piston. And then what are we calling it? Damage? Is that what it's called? Damage 1. Although I don't even think we need that, because I think it'll do that automatically. Time 1. Passengers. So riding the passenger of the sticky piston is ID falling... I'm still getting used to this new passengers tag. I have to keep reminding myself that it actually makes sense now. Block. Slime block. Is it called a slime block or just slime? Let's see. It's called just slime. Okay, glad I checked. It's just called slime. Time 1. Oh, it's data 1. Thank you, not damage. Oh, well, I didn't even use it anyway. Slime, time 1. And then I wonder if we make it another passenger as opposed to having another nested passenger tag. Let's try this. I doubt it's going to work, but we'll see. Falling sand, block, stone, time 1. I doubt that'll work, but we'll see. Let's remove that and power this. Let's turn F3 off. Yeah, because it's... Okay. So what we actually need to do, first of all, what happens if we summon it at, like, 70? Then what? Okay, yeah. Unfortunately, it's going to need its own thing. So instead, let's do 64.5. Like so. And unfortunately, it's going to need its own passenger tag. So what that means is we got to do, comma, passengers. I'm wondering if this is going to save characters in the long run. Like so. So now that should work. All right, I'm heading out. Have a nice day, and thanks for helping, Jackson. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you later. Okay, there we go. But now we actually need to do data 1, like so. Although I'm pretty sure you need... I think you need an S. Let's check. That's weird. Data? Okay, 1S. I'm pretty sure it's 1S. That's weird. Did you see that? Okay, it was just a ghost block. Alright. Alright, there we go. So that should... will that save characters? What do you think? That, as opposed to command block minecarts setting the blocks. Let's try it. Actually, let's not try it. Should we do it anyway? Let's just do it anyway. Let's just do it anyway. We'll copy that. We'll go to Chrome, and we'll do... Instead of that, we'll do... summon falling sand. Let's see here. You can use the passengers tag now. Yeah, but I'm just wondering if that's gonna be easier, or rather save on characters for this little thing. This little portion of it. And this, by the way, this version of the generator I'm using is using passengers. No, I'm talking about command... Like, this right now is command block minecart, summoning falling sand, riding falling sand. But I'm saying, would it be better instead to do command block minecarts doing set block for each block individually? And I think this is going to be fewer characters. Yeah. Actually, yeah, this is going to be a lot fewer characters. A lot. Or no, maybe not, because I forgot you have to do the block and the time. Who knows? But for now, you know what? My excuse is it looks better when it's falling sand. That's my excuse. And let's see, we want to do that. C22. Except this time. Whoops. Damn it. Sorry. Paste. I meant to do summon... falling sand, I-22, and instead of that, we want to take, let's copy this here, and do, copy that, because we're going to need that again, and now let's do, instead of C22, instead of a pre-prepared Y-coordinate, we're actually going to calculate one ourselves because we need a 0.5. So instead, we're going to be adding... Rather than +3, just plus 0.5. Plus 0.5. Command block minecarts are faster. Well, no, Mr. Illiteracy. So, what I'm saying is, we have two options, right? We can either have one command block minecart summoning a falling sand entity, riding a falling sand entity, riding a falling sand entity, or we can have 3 command block minecarts doing set block for each of those 3 blocks. Does that make sense? Now, with the falling sand, we actually have to do a nested passengers tag in order to make it work. So I'm wondering, does that make it a moot point? But let's see. +5, +5. Okay. And... let me see here. What does he say? But if you use set block, it uses coordinates separated by spaces, and spaces are counted as characters. I know, but think about it. When we do falling sand, we need ID falling sand, block, then the block name, then time, and 1. As opposed to... I don't know. Somebody can test it. But either... whatever. It doesn't matter. This is still going to work. Let's just get rid of this. Quote, space. That should do it. I have no idea what we're all talking about, Mr. Illiteracy says. That should do it, I think. Well, I'm not going to explain it again. Make the option to use either one. Well... what do you mean? Like, that, it doesn't matter. The result is going to be the same. The point is that it's going to be, what do you call it? Sorry, I'm very, very tired. I'm losing my words. It's going to be, slower this way, but it'll look cooler. Whatever, you know. I could always change it. But this way we're summoning fewer command block minecarts, so I guess that's a plus. Anyhoozle, now what we want to do is we only have, I think, 3 more blocks to get, which are the redstone block, and these 2 command blocks. So, let's start with the redstone block. What we're going to need to do, let's copy, no, not that. We want to copy what's in there into there, like so. Okay, so set block +3, because we actually want it to be over there. No, not +3, sorry, +1, +1. Like so. Wait, what? That's not right. Oh, okay, I see what I'm doing. I meant to do +3. Wait, what? I'm doing it wrong, I'm doing it wrong, I'm doing it wrong. +1. +1. I'm very tired. Ugh. Okay, let's clear all that. Paste that in. +1. +1. And then we're gonna need a higher Y coordinate. If the structure is going to be a specific shape, then set block is easier. But the thing is, with falling sand, it's going to be... it's just those 3 blocks is the thing. And instead of C22, we want D22. Oh wait, the subject has changed. The Gigabyte Gamer says. That looks correct, and we're going to change that to say... redstone block. Okay. Then next to that is going to be a command block, a regular command block. With what facing? Let's see. Set block, bam, bam, bam. Command block, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with a facing of 5. And let me see here. 5. Let me scoot it over so I can see. 5. Command. What is the command? The command is that, which is, let me get a better view here. Scoreboard player set at a score underscore TRS underscore ID equals 0. TRS underscore teleport stage 3. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. I'm so tired. This stream is going to need to end soon. And also, that is way too high. I accidentally put that in there. Okay. And that is actually going to need to be 1 up. Or 1 over, like that. And then 1 more time. This time it's actually going to be a chain command block. So we're going to change this to say chain command block, but again with a data value of 5. And this is actually going to be +3 and +3. And that is going to do the following command. Scoreboard players reset star, meaning all players, even if they're not online and just on the scoreboard, so fake players and offline players as well, TRS underscore ID. That ought to do it. There we go. All right, now what we have to do is we have to go back into the one command combiner code and change AF or whatever it was to AK. So let's see here. AF31 to AK31. Ugh, my ears hurt from these headphones. All right, yeah. Whoa, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Charlie Walsh 1 is now following. Thank you very much, Charlie Walsh. I hope you enjoy my content. If you're interested in my YouTube channel, you just do !YT in the chat, and you can get a link to there, which is the main place where I do content. Let's see. That looks right to me. We want to go to... I typed in AK, right? Yeah, probably. Anyway, now we also want these. So... what I'm actually thinking, just to make it simpler, is we should just drag these in there. You know? I feel like just to make it simpler, we should just drag these into the row, I mean. So, like, whoa, what's happening? What's happening? The 3 are the third of the red crafter is now following. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy the content. So I'm going to copy those cells, and I think I'm actually just going to put them at the end here. So, in other words, I'm just, like, tacking them on rather than waiting till the end to put them in there. I mean, I can't imagine there's any harm in adding the objectives before everything is all in, right? So let's just add them in like that, and then we can change AK to AO. And then we can just get rid of these. I know that it's a really messy way of doing it, but it'll work. What did I say? What column? AO. Okay. Let's change it here to from AK to AO. Okay. Charlie Walsh says, been watching your YouTube for a while. Thought I'd come catch you here for once. So, thank you very much. All right. Let's... hopefully you guys were in Chrome all that time. I hope you weren't staring at Minecraft. So, let's try this out. Let's get a new world, and let us try... let's actually get a new world and try the... let's just try the whole thing all together. Now, I doubt it's actually going to work the first time, but we can try. Super flat. Let's do a tunneler's dream. Actually, let's do an amplified world. Okay, it's loading. It is definitely loading, and I can tell you that for sure. Okay, well, looks like it worked. Come on. Work with me. I'm so tired. All right. All right, here we are. Let's go to the top of a mountain somewhere. Or let's find the coordinates we want to be in. Okay, so let's see. Let's go. OBS should still be minimized. Good, good. Jackson says, "What's your PC specs?" Trick question. That's all I'll say. Let's see here. Let's get a good view of this place. This is pretty, right? Let's get this. 94, 114, 112, 52.4, 16.2. Okay. And we will go into here. I'm not going to switch the view for you guys to see this because all it is inputting coordinates. And actually, my PC is a Mac. It's just a MacBook Pro laptop, and it actually works incredibly well for me. I get really excellent frame rates. Not so much when I'm recording and not so much on Amplified, but I've got a lot of RAM, and it works pretty well, honestly. Let's go to here, 37, 135, 82, negative 148.2, 25.5. But I got extra RAM for it. Like, I got the high RAM model, which is, I think I have 32 gigs of RAM. Let's see here, and this also looks good. 120, 180, 88. Did you see all that gravel just fall? Look, it's still falling. It's like glitching. Negative 178.6, 16.5. Now, there is a feature that I have not implemented yet, which basically will allow you to save on all of those command blocks that we just coded, if we choose to decide that we want it in a single player instead. So, basically what I'm trying to say is, in a single player, you don't need nearly that many command blocks, but in a multiplayer, you do. So, if you choose to use the hashtag back function, a new option which was grayed out before will appear, and it will give you the option for single player or multiplayer command blocks, and by default it will be on multiplayer. Okay, let me copy the command. Let me just make sure everything looks right. Hashtag back. Let's make it last 45 seconds. Put me back in creative mode. Lock head rotation. Copy. Okay. Here we go. Paste. Always active. Okay. That was weird. That didn't work. Let's try that again. Let's definitely try that again. Maybe I was in the way because of the entity collision and everything. Whatever. Let's try this again. Okay, I see the problem. The falling sand is not actually falling onto anything yet. So, we need to change that. But in the meantime, let's assume that it did land properly. Oh, but you know what? Those command blocks did not place. Mr. Literacy, could you take care of that, please? Thank you. So, that is a problem. Those last commands are not working. So let's switch back to Chrome. Let's see where the problem is. This is saying it goes to AO31. So let's go to AO31. First, let's see this. Oh! That's why. I did this wrong. This 0.5 Mizidus, I wanted to do... Ah, okay. Where's I-23? I-20... Okay, actually what I wanted to do is do plus 5.5. That may be why. Okay. And then this worked. And then this didn't. Why didn't this work? Oh! Because I forgot to do... Or no, that shouldn't matter. See, command... Let's do auto... Well, no, this is a regular command block, so we don't want auto. But we do want track output 0B. But that... Even still, it should have summoned anyway. Then command... Close the command. Then 5.5, chain command block. Players reset star. That should be auto 1. Track output 0B. Let's see, did all of the objectives get added? Scoreboard objectives list. Yep, all of the objectives got added properly. Actually, no, they did not. We have TRS ID, TRS underscore teleported, TRS underscore ID test. You know what it may be? Is it longer than is allowed? TRS underscore teleport stage. Dummy. Yup, it's too long for an objective. Okay, so actually, what we're going to do is we're going to do find... And we're also going to do also search within formulas. Find TRS underscore teleport stage. Replace with TRS underscore TP stage. TP stage. And replace all. Great. Oh, it doesn't look like it worked. No, it worked. It worked. Okay, there we go. But even still, this should still work. I don't know why it's not doing it. Let's try this again. Hopefully the falling sand will at least work this time. Although I doubt it will. Oh, it worked! Ah, but see, when it extended, we lost the stone block. Let's put something on there. But, as you can see, those command blocks still did not place. Why is that? Why does it not want to... Like, what am I doing differently? Because the redstone block is certainly going in the right place. Also, I think we've figured out that the slime block thing is not going to work. Let's delete that and just replace it with this and do 2 instead. Just I-22. I-22 and space, and... My English is very bad. Can you speak German? I cannot speak German. Why not hook the comparator up to an impulse command block? What do you mean? Because it's supposed to be a bud. And, see... What value do I want? Is that D22? Then I want, C22? Yeah, I think that's what I want. And space, and what's the other one? I-24. And I-24. And space, sticky piston 1. Okay, there we go. Now we're back in business. Let's actually just delete this stuff. Let's put it here. And instead of a sticky piston, and we actually want this to be D22, and we want this to be not sticky piston, but slime. And then we want this to be CDE stone. Like so. Okay. Then we've got all of those scoreboards. Then let's try adding those command blocks back in. Let's return to the first world. Now let's see here. We need a command block. First of all, let's just see if we can summon all this stuff and it doesn't get messed up. So let's copy that. Return to Minecraft. Go to here. I don't like this song. Let's skip it. Okay, that looks like it worked. But now the problem is we need to put... See, like, it looks like it should be perfect. And then when it comes to actually setting the rest of those command blocks, it just, like, suddenly doesn't work. Let me go back to the first world. Let's copy that. We're just going to rewrite the part of those commands. This is also a really bad song. Let's see here. What I think we need to do is I think we need to take one of these. Right. Like so. And paste it over here. And do... we actually want A, B, C, D, because we want it to be 5. And then we want... Maybe I was just doing the wrong Y level. Y level. That's entirely possible. Yeah, that is entirely possible. And that's 5. Redstone block is 3, so actually we need it to go down 1 more. So plus 2, because it should be 4. Yep. Okay. And this time we don't want it to be 4. We actually want it to be 5. And we want it to not be a chain command block, but a regular command block. Auto 0, so we can actually just take that out. Track output 0B. Then I will copy this and put it in here. Scoreboard players set at a score TRS underscore ID equals 0. And then what did I decide to make this instead? TRS underscore TP stage? I think that's it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. Okay. Yep, it's TP stage. Okay, and then next to that, plus 3 is going to be a chain command block. An actual chain command block that will have the auto tag and a command of this. Scoreboard players reset star TRS underscore ID. So I am doing this the exact same way I was doing the other command blocks, so it should work perfectly. I need to just set it to do AQ. So let's go to here, change AO to AQ. Okay? Now that should work perfectly. Let's go back to Minecraft. Okay, and we'll go to single player. Alright, let's remove all this stuff. Okay. Let's see here. We're going to destroy this, paste it in, always active. Yay! Looks like it worked. I think I just chose the wrong Y value. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Alright? We're going to take a block of redstone to mark our place. Alright? We're gonna go way up here on top of a tree. Alright? Now again, not only am I streaming, but I'm also in an amplified world, so this is gonna be pretty laggy. But we're gonna try it anyway. So we're standing right here, and we're gonna look at the lava. Okay? Now we're gonna do scoreboard players set at a step 0. Now, keeping in mind that this is meant for multiplayer, and well, it's not meant for multiplayer, but it's multiplayer compatible, I still have to actually design the single player version. Go. Okay, so the cutscene starts. This should last about 45 seconds, or exactly 45, about 45 seconds because of tick speed differences. And if all goes according to plan, after the cutscene is over, we should get teleported back to where we were with the same facing. Something tells me it's not going to work, but the concept itself works, because it worked in the other world. Boy, am I lagging. I'm lagging bad. Wow. What? What? Okay, something went wrong. Scoreboard players set at a step -1. I think the thing that went wrong is the amount of steps, I think, is incorrect. So let's grab a stone sword so we don't destroy anything. Down here, that it's supposed to go to 900, I guess, and we add from 901. Let's save and quit and go to here again. And let's just review the steps. Okay. That goes to 601, right? Then we set at a 603. Okay. So let's save and quit. Let's go back to here. And let's see. Set 903, correct. Then there should be a thing that sets the score. Oh, stop moving. TP stage. Where's the thing that sets it to 603? I don't even remember where that goes. how do I know where it goes? TRS teleported. Here we go. Set teleport stage 903. Now at the end, it was updating my game mode back to game mode 1. Aha! The culprit has been found. However, despite that fact, it still didn't work. So let's actually just do TP at E, see if there is any armor stand still surviving. Nope. Okay. Okay, Mr. Literacy. So now I will... Let's do a scoreboard objective, set display, sidebar, TRS ID. Okay. That's a problem. That is a problem. Why does global keep going up? Whoops, I broke it. Let's see. Where's the problem? Add global TRS ID 1. Alright, let's see here. Execute at P TRS ID equals 0. Score TRS teleported equals 0. Scoreboard objectives, or no, scoreboard players list at P. Teleported 0. How's it supposed to work? How is it supposed to work? Then it goes operation at P. Let's go check this out here. So, because I don't know why it's doing that. Because what should be happening, TRS teleported, scoreboard, objectives, list. Teleported works. Okay, so let's see. Add TRS ID. Okay, so that should do that once, and then at P TRS ID plus equals global TRS teleported. What's wrong with that? Mr. Illiteracy, I need you again. Never mind, I got it. I think. How can I fix this? This doesn't make any sense. This should be working perfectly, because scoreboard, players set at P, TRS ID 1. Now, when we reset it, what? It's like the exact same thing. It doesn't make any sense. My ID score needs to be set to 1. So, look, execute at P, TRS ID equals 0, which is me. TRS score to teleport equals 0, which is me. Add okay, that we know. Then what? At P, TRS ID equals 0, that's me. TRS teleport equals 0, that's me. Scoreboard players operation at P, TRS ID, okay, so which is 0, plus equals global TRS teleported. Scoreboard players list global. What if I do scoreboard players set global TRS teleported 0. Will that fix it? Teleported 1. Okay, now it works. So, you know what that tells me? Is it tells me we need a little setup command in there. Let's put a redstone block there and that there. Okay, so I think what that means is we need to have... As soon as... Let's go back to Chrome. Let's see if we can make it so that it won't interfere. So after that adds, hopefully it will happen within the same game tick, so we won't need to worry about it. Scoreboard, whoops. Yeah, all we gotta do is do it once. Scoreboard players set global. Because Roman, hey, what's going on? Global, set global, I'm changing the song. Set global TRS teleported 1. So what's interesting, I don't even remember having used teleported on the global. Maybe I use it to... Whatever, you know what? I don't need to understand it anymore as long as it works. Set global TRS teleported 1. Now, hopefully, we can get that to do it before anything else happens. So, let's change this to AR31, like so. Let's copy it. Let's do a total scoreboard reset. Let's do a fill. Bam, bam, bam. Google. No, seriously. Oh, what program is that? Like, yeah, it's Google Sheets. Air. And we'll do a total scoreboard reset. Scoreboard players reset star. Okay. And we're going to try it once again. Ah, we couldn't do it in time. So, if we do list global, yeah, we couldn't do it in time. Set global TRS teleported 1. How does the global's teleported score get set anyway? I do not even remember setting it. Where does it get set? Let's go to here and we'll do a search for in formulas on this sheet. We're gonna search for TRS underscore actually global. Actually TRS teleported. Let's just find it all. Okay, here we've got TRS teleported, add at A. Okay. Nope. Next. This is scoreboard players add. No. Okay, that's not it. Is that used anywhere? Execute TRS teleported. No. 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 Okay, so why do I even use the teleported thing? Like, how does that even happen? Let's go back to Minecraft. Why does that even work? I'm not using it anywhere else. If I go back here, that doesn't make any sense. Why am I using teleported? Well, hold on. I'm doing something wrong here. Add at a score. Teleported 0. Score players at. This is. Okay. Okay, here's the problem. I think I put in the. I think I put in the wrong. Alright, yeah, that's what happened. I put in the wrong objective in the code in one place, which would be this 4th command block here, I believe. Yup, it should be TRS ID. That should do it. Okay, so let's go to Chrome again, and we will change. Where is it? Plus equals. Here we go. We want to change TRS teleported to TRS ID on this 4th command block. And we can also get rid of this last thing here. And now we just want it to go back to AQ. AQ. Okay. 50 millionth time's the charm. Let's do it again. Fill. Bam, bam, bam. Bing, bang, bongo. Ah, no! Air. Okay, here we go. We're gonna get it this time. Let's do it. Give at P command block. Always active. Okay, here we go, guys. Mind is gonna blow. Let's see. Now remember, we placed this redstone block up here for a purpose. So let's also get rid of the sidebar. All right. So we're going to stand on this redstone block, and we are going to look right at the lava over there. Okay. Oh, I'm in Chrome. Oh, thank you. How about now? Am I back in Minecraft? Sorry. Okay, so here we are. We're looking at the lava. We're standing on a redstone block. Now we're going to start the cutscene. And roughly 45 seconds, allowing for lag, we should be teleported directly back in the exact same spot with the same rotation. I made it 45 seconds so that we could, what do you call it? Ooh, something's happening! Something's happening! BC's Roman is now following me. Thank you, man. Hope you enjoy my content. If you're interested in my YouTube channel, if you haven't already checked it out, you can just type !YT in the chat, and it'll direct you to my YouTube channel. That is where I post most of my content. Yes! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god, it worked! Oh my god! Oh yeah! Woo! Yes! It works! It's alive! It's alive! Oh my gosh! It works! Alright. I'm gonna need some testers. Who wants to come on here and test with me? I'm gonna open it to LAN. Gonna go into creative mode. Do 51071 is our port. I'm gonna use grapple. Now, I may regret this, because there may be some spammers or griefers or whatever, but I pretty much trust everyone in my audience, so it should be fine. I trust everyone. So, just join. Find a block. The only reason I want you to stand on a block is just so you can know with absolute certainty that you're standing on the original block. Now, a reminder that multiplayer cutscenes just don't always look great because of BCZ the boss has joined, because it, what do you call it? They don't really look great in any adventure map. So it's not like just my fault. I'm not the only one who has this problem. Every cutscene ever has this problem where, because when in spectator mode, you cannot, when you're in spectator mode, you can see everyone else who's in spectator mode, and you cannot avoid that, unfortunately. So, all you guys have to do, stand somewhere. You don't even have to stand on a block, actually, as long as you memorize where you're standing. Don't go out too far. We want to stay in these loaded chunks. But as long as you know where you're standing and where you're looking, and then you can type ready in the chat, and I will... Let's do a scoreboard objective, set display, sidebar, TRS ID. Good. So as you can see there in global, every time the player list changes, it updates properly. That's why we have that bud. Okay. You guys ready? Here we go. So again, it's on certain curves, it looks better because people are lagging behind, but unfortunately, this is something you just cannot avoid. However, I'm looking at making it better. Yeah, I know, the player heads are blocking your view. That's how it works, unfortunately. And that's not my doing, that's just the way that it works in Minecraft. But what I'm thinking is possibly I can improve the visibility just a little bit by reducing the number of teleports per tick. Because what I'm doing right now is, originally, before I had the area effect cloud as the corrector, meaning that way you don't get, that way you can't move. Originally, didn't have that, so now that... Is everyone back to their original location? Huzzah! It worked! Woo! Oh my god! 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 One armor stand per player might be a bit much? What do you mean might be a bit much? It's... How many multiplayer... Like, the more people you have, the worse the cutscene's gonna look. I would say 7 people maximum. But anyway, what I was saying is, I'm gonna try and... Really? Oh, yeah. Well, in order to avoid that, you just do /game rule send command feedback false, and it will get rid of your game mode has been updated. That's a little tip for everyone. Ah! Alright, guys, I think that is a sign that it is time to sign off. As I said, another update I'm going to do. 1.7.1 isn't quite ready to come out. I need to do a little bit more testing. But anyway, yeah, 1.7.1 version of the cutscene generator should be coming out soon. If you don't know, you can... Let me switch back to Chrome here. Right down here, under the version number, it will either say, new version available, click here to update, or your current version is up to date in your copy of it. In order to get a new one, just click on, there's a new version, and make another copy for yourself. So, that, I believe, is it. Thank you so much, everybody, for helping me out. And, as I said, I'm going to try and reduce the number of teleports per tick. I can have it in half, or take it in half, which hopefully will, whoa! Which hopefully will, I don't care about this world, so it's okay to destroy it, guys. Hopefully, it will, make multiplayer look just a little bit better. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed the live stream, please leave a like, follow me, like, subscribe, even better, you gotta hit that subscribe button. Make sure to check out Jam-Packed. Well, it's not gonna be Jam-Packed description because it's a live stream. Oh, God. Okay. Anyway, also, there's a new donation option. Yes, you can destroy it. There's a donation option if you guys are interested in donating. It would really help me out. And, yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye-bye.